Hey everyone, and welcome to Gardening with Ben. As you can see, it's absolutely chucking it down. So we can't give you a tour of the allotment, but we'll give you a little tour of the polytunnel and show you what's happening. In here at the moment, you may have seen quite a few videos of what I've been doing in the polytunnel. But yeah, this is just a little tour of how things are getting on. So sit back, relax and enjoy today's episode. So as you can see, my tomatoes are doing absolutely amazing. We trimmed the tops off them the other day so that they don't grow no more, so that they can concentrate on growing all the tomatoes. These are Sweet Million ones, absolutely amazing. They've done fantastic this year. I didn't grow them from seed, I bought the plants, I cheated and we planted them, and yeah, they've done absolutely amazing. And it's just enough plants just for me to keep me going throughout the week, because they're all starting to ripen at the same time, as you can see. But yeah, hopefully we'll keep them fruiting all the way through to September, October time and get a great crop off them. Next up, we have got our beef tomatoes. Now these are F1 Super Steak, a nice big variety of them, and as you can see, they're growing absolutely massive so far. This one over here is the biggest one, and that's about the size of my hand. But yeah, we just wanted them to start ripening. That's the thing now, we need them to start ripening. They've got to a good size, they just need to start going red. But we've stripped off all the bottom leaves so that they get the sunlight and hopefully help them ripen. We've left off the top leaves on, they're all still on the plants, but we've stripped off all the bottom ones so that it can concentrate on obviously growing them more, but also to help them grow red from the sunlight. We've not got many tomatoes on. As you can see, there've been plenty of flowers, they've just not pollinated. Obviously not getting enough bees in here, but we've got enough. That'll keep us going hopefully for a few weeks when they start to ripen. Next up, we have got our peppers. Now I moved these from the other side of my polytunnel to this side because it gets more sunlight on this side, and as you can see, we've got some good sized ones growing on there. And yeah, I mentioned before that they are getting eaten, and I'm keeping an eye on them, as hopefully we'll try and stop things from eating them. So if you've got any tips to stop them getting eaten, whether it's ants or rats, I don't know, but the leaves are getting eaten, so I'm guessing it's ants possibly. And yeah, we do want some peppers. We've got some decent ones growing on it, so hopefully they'll change colour and hopefully they'll get good. We've got loads of pepper plants, absolutely loads. I started all these off in January in my flat because peppers need a long growing season to get them started. So I started them off in January, then I moved them down here around end of March, April time, and planted them up. And yeah, I'm really happy. This is the first time I've grown peppers for about 17 years, 16, 17 years. So I'm happy with this crop this year of peppers. They're absolutely amazing. I'm going to do it again next year, as I've had a great success so far with them. Next up is our aubergine. Now this, I cheated, I bought the plant. I've never been able to grow an aubergine plant. Again, you usually have to start these about January time, so I might try and grow one myself next year, we'll see. But I bought this plant, and one plant is enough just for me. Look at how many aubergines are on this plant. Absolutely loads growing. It's done absolutely fantastic, and they're looking absolutely amazing. And I'm not usually letting them get to too big a size because obviously they're ripened, so obviously I can pick them. So I'm just having nice small aubergines, and that'll encourage more and more aubergines to grow on the plant. So yeah, I'm really happy with them. Next up is our melon plants. Don't ask me what variety they are because I don't know, so we have to wait and see. It's a surprise. But I tidied all these up the other day and fastened them all to netting because they were just everywhere, all over the ground. They grow like cucumbers, they trail, and as you can see, there's loads and loads of flowers on them. We've got some melons growing on them. That's a biggish one. Someone mentioned that it might be watermelon, but I think the leaves are bigger on a watermelon. I don't know. So we're going to have to wait and see what it grows like and see what it turns into. So hopefully we get some delicious fruit off them. But yeah, I'm really happy with them melons. They are growing absolutely fantastic. Again, I've not grown melons for about 6 years now. I've grown cantaloupe in the past, and they've done absolutely fantastic. So I don't think these are cantaloupe, but we'll see what they turn out to be and keep you updated on them all. Next month in August, we're going to be planting our Christmas potatoes. That's when I usually plant them, and then they're usually ready around December time. I plant them in tubs because they need to be indoors, as obviously around October, November time it gets cold, so the cold will kill them if they're in the ground outside. So we're going to grow them in the polytunnel where it's kept warm. We've done it last year and we got a fantastic crop of Christmas potatoes. Absolutely amazing, keeping them potatoes going all the year round and getting a great result from them. So make sure, if you're wanting to grow Christmas potatoes, get some ready for next month. Loads of garden centres are selling seed potatoes now, and they're labelled up Christmas potatoes, obviously for marketing. But yeah, get some potatoes ready to start growing this month or next month, but I usually start in August myself. So I hope you've enjoyed this episode. Make sure you do drop us a follow, give it a like, leave a comment, and feel free to share it as well to any gardening groups. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben everyone.